Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make no-bake oatmeal cookies step by step. Gather rolled oats, peanut butter, honey or sugar, cocoa if using, and a saucepan for heating. Measure ingredients precisely and line a tray with parchment paper so cookies set evenly. Warm the sweetener and peanut butter gently until smooth, then mix in oats and extras. Scoop onto the tray and chill until firm for a quick, cozy treat. Let's talk ingredients for dependable no-bake oatmeal cookies. Use 2 cups rolled oats for the best chew, and 1 cup peanut butter to bind and flavor the mix. Sweeten with about 1 cup sugar or honey, and stir in 2 tablespoons cocoa for chocolate cookies if you like. Keep a pinch of salt to balance flavors, and add nuts or dried fruit to customize texture and taste to your preference. Start by gently heating the sugar or honey with peanut butter until fully smooth, then remove the pan from heat to avoid burning. Stir in the rolled oats and any extras like cocoa, nuts, or vanilla until the oats are evenly coated. Work quickly to drop spoonfuls onto a parchment-lined tray, pressing slightly to shape. Chill the cookies for at least 20 minutes so they firm up, then enjoy or store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.